Hello, ladies and gents. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. My name is McKay Clark, and I will be presenting my completely reasonable educational and professional goals. If I can get it to go to the next slide. All right, there we go. So the psychiatrist. So my aspirations, my goal in life is to become a psychiatrist, but what the heck do they do? So psychiatrists evaluate, diagnose, and treat patients with mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders. They conduct thorough psychiatric evaluations, develop treatment plans, prescribe medication, and evaluate treatment results. Psychiatrists can work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, private practices, clinics, and nursing homes, according to Glassdoor.com. Education. So the education to become a psychiatrist, it needs to be extensive. So a bachelor's degree is the minimum requirement for an undergrad. Also the minimum requirement to be able to apply to medical school. So a medical degree and residency program in psychiatry will one day be required. After that, a board certificate in psychiatry and a medical license in the state that you are going to be practicing are also required as well. So in relation to my four-year plan, so I'm a psychology major, so right now I'm taking all the courses that are required to come out of here with a bachelor's degree in psychology. Um, right now, I would say something that I need to work on in my four-year plan is I need to schedule more chemistry, biology, and physics classes, as I was doing some research into things that help people who are going into psychiatry get into medical school and just help them in general in their profession. Taking chemistry, biology, and physics classes will put you a leg up when it comes to applying to medical school, and then also in the knowledge you gain to be able to perform your daily actions as a psychologist. So why oh why did I choose psychology? So my reasons for choosing it, so I'm interested in understanding human behavior. Sometimes I've been able to, ask myself, why does somebody do the things they do? Why do they make stupid decisions or good decisions that they make depending on their outward situations, on what they're dealing with personally? It honestly, it just everything about that just interests me. I also enjoy helping others as I've, grown and helped other people and stuff like that. I've been able to feel a sense of accomplishment when I successfully help somebody, and I just believe that, you know, making the world a better place is something that I would, like to do and is highly rewarding for me. So another reason is I feel like the knowledge translates to real life situations. I feel like you can use psychology in almost every facet of life. In your own personal life, you can use it to better understand why people react the way that they do. In a business aspect, you'd be able to understand your clients, customers, and employees more, to be more understanding and also be able to accommodate your business practices those to those things. So, in comparison to the chapter 13 reasons in the textbook as to why people become a psychology major, I found three of them to be the ones that I connected with the most. And so, the first one being I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. Again, kind of like I said on the last slide, I'm very interested in understanding human behavior. And so, psychology, it interests me. I enjoy reading about it, learning, a little bit more about, why people do the things they do, and then how to help them. I also think another reason in the book that I align with is psychology is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for a graduate or professional MD or JD degree. Definitely, if I'm going into psychiatry, I believe that, psychology, would be the best way to go. Because I mean, I could get, a major in business or something else, but I don't feel like that would best equip me to be able to become a psychiatrist. And yep, the bottom one, I want to become a professional psychiatrist. In the book, it says professional psychologist, but I, aspire to be a psychiatrist, and so that's the reason why I want to study psychology is to become a professional psychiatrist. And there you go. Here are my sources, and I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed my presentation.